What if you would like to assign bonuses to your full-time sales department employees that have been with the company for at least 5 years? You have multiple criteria here that need to be fulfilled in order for bonus to be awarded. But first, let's just stop for a second to explain if function to viewers that are not familiar with it. It has 3 arguments. First is our logical test. And second 2 arguments are results that Excel will display, depending on our logical test. This first part will be result if logical test is true, and this last part will be result if logical test is not true. So, to continue. Equal, if, and we want to award employees from sales department, so we will mark this cell, and ask if it is equal to sales. Be careful here, text string needs to be inside quotation marks. And, if answer is yes, then we are going to ask another question. New if function, and if data in this cell is equal to full-time. If answer for that too is yes, we have one final question. And that is, if data in this cell is 5 or more years. Keep in mind that if you are combining greater than and less than with equal, then equal sign must go on the last place, or formula will not work. Now, if all these conditions are true, then finally we can assign bonus. Again, text string, so we need quotation marks. And, for the rest, we can tell no bonus. Here. And also here, for our second function, and finally here, no bonus, for our first function. If all commas and parentheses are on the right place, we can hit enter. Copy down. And we have our result. As you can see, we have added bonus only to employees that fulfill all 3 conditions. You can nest up to 64 levels inside one formula, but it is unlikely that you will have situations like that. This was just example with if function, but in reality you can use other functions instead arguments inside your formulas. Like you can see, here, in this formulas, we have multiple functions inside one formula. It all depends on the task you want to accomplish. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe, so that you don't miss new content uploaded daily.